Today we're making whipped strawberry milk. A lot of you have messaged me and told me that you want to try whipped coffee, but you don't like coffee, so this is a perfect alternative for you.
All you need is strawberry Nesquik. Get 1 tablespoon of that and 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream.
Now you whisk until your arm literally falls off.
Once you reach this fluffy texture, you're done. Now this step is optional, but you can create a Nesquik rim using any kind of syrup you have at home. It's time to serve. Add some ice to your glass or your favorite kind of milk and add the whipped strawberry milk on top.
All that's left to do is to enjoy.